Cold snap this morning was freezing. It was literally single digits, 9 degrees that is. A little bit of a warm up now, but will it continue to increase? And that's what we check in with meteorologist Lisa Gray.
Good afternoon. We're looking at conditions that are starting to warm up here in the valley. We're going to see those numbers climb. We're currently into the 30s, so that rise has been quite a bit. We're at 35 degrees in Fargo, 34 in Grand Forks, some 20s up along the Canadian border here as we work our way through the rest of the day today. We'll watch those numbers rise too. So here we go. We're looking at some wind chills that are a little lower into the teens and 20s, so you'll still need to bundle up as you head out the door, but it will feel a little bit better here this afternoon. Taking a look at your radar and satellite map, we are looking at your visible satellite map, and I've got the black and white version on so you can see where the snowpack is. So where you see movement, we've got some clouds rolling through. Those will, for a time, bring more partly cloudy skies. And where you see that white or gray area not moving, that's where we have that fresh snow. You can see north of Grand Forks, north of Highway 2, some snow there, and then that snow to the south and east of us. And in between, it's not so bad. We've had a couple of flakes, but not too bad. Well, that's going to kind of whittle away here over the next several days because we're warming above freezing. We're looking at temperatures reaching the low 40s in some areas today, and this continues into the weekend. We'll have more details coming up here in just a couple of minutes.
Warm up from this morning, because especially with the 9 degrees I saw in the car, this 40-degree weather is a lot better than what we saw. So thank you again for that, Lisa. Well, jail time and fines could soon be a possibility for anyone not wearing a mask in Grand Forks County. The City Council discussed an order last night that would cover every city in the county. It would be issued by County Public Health Officer Dr. Joel Woggs, which means that it will be out of the city's hands as to whether or not it will be implemented. The order would involve a Class B misdemeanor, so anyone not wearing a mask in a public setting could face a maximum punishment of 30 days in jail and a $1,500 fine. Mayor Brandon Boczynski, who supported the order but expressed concern about it being a misdemeanor charge, told the City Council that it was time to take serious steps to stop the spread of COVID-19.
You can charge someone $100,000 for not wearing a mask. It's still not going to keep people out of the hospital and keep people from dying. So let's get real about what we're trying to do here instead of just playing games and wasting everybody's time.
Boczynski is also calling for fines to businesses that don't follow several rules, including the number of people in a bar or restaurant, hours of operation, and customers and employees. Now, for the first-time offenders, the fine would be $500, and second would be $1,000. Now, the City of Jamestown has approved a mask mandate, but it's another one without any penalties. The mayor says face coverings are now required in all indoor and outdoor environments where people are exposed to non-household members and when social distancing isn't possible. And the Jamestown Regional Medical Center is close to inpatient capacity and is activating its COVID-19 surge plan. The hospital is preparing to increase its space from a 25-bed facility to a 64-bed facility. The president and CEO of the hospital says they need the community to take preventative measures to support families, businesses, schools, and healthcare workers. Now, a staggering number of people go without a place to sleep every night in the metro, and many of them are children. That's why the United Way is hosting a giving event today to help those that need it the most. Now, I see with us today is Christina Hine Landon. Hey, how are you doing today? And she's going to give us an update on how we can help. Good morning, or good afternoon, that is.
Hello, yes, it is Give United, Live United, Give United Day, and we are out here in the parking lot of CI Apparel, and we have had so many cars come through to donate, and we're just inspiring the community to come on out and donate today. So like you said, Brian, we really can prevent homelessness for children and families. You can see behind me, we've got some amazing volunteers that are there to greet you.
So I know when we talked about an hour ago, you told me that you guys raised about almost $5,200 or over $5,200. Is it still around that amount right now?
We have actually, the numbers continue to climb, and the best part is all donations are matched today up to $30,000. So if you're considering giving to your community today, today is the day. Your $20 turns into $40 thanks to our generous partners and sponsors. So really it is the time to make a difference.
So I know there are many ways that people can donate today. List those ways that people can donate.
It's very easy. If you don't want to leave your house, you can definitely hop on our website, unitedwaycastplay.org. Give quickly and easily there. Or if you'd like to visit us, you can see there's a fun setup behind me here in our Give United drive-thru. Our volunteers will be there to greet you, and you can still give safely from the seat of your vehicle, all from your phone. And right now we are giving away actually free t-shirts for kids, so come on out.
Perfect. I guess the last question I have for you right now, while you're out there, Christina, is, with what's talking about 1,000 people every night and even 23% being children, talk about that importance of people giving what they can.
We know that when a child experiences homelessness, they are more likely to become homeless as adults. So prevention is very important to us at United Way. We want to prevent children from having to experience that trauma, which is why it's so, so important people step forward and give today, and the more families that we can help.
Thank you so much, Christina, for being here today. And as Christina just mentioned, you can go there until 6 p.m. today. And also on our web channel, an article has been released, so go on our web channel and see the updates as well. Well, coming up at noon, see how the pandemic may be affecting the way your children are learning and what a cold start to Friday the 13th. Full forecast with meteorologist Lisa Green.